Hi everyone and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. What we're going to be learning how to make is a sun catcher or a faux glass, stained glass piece of art. So for this project you're going to either need a piece of clear plastic like that you'd use on a projector. If you don't have that, a clear plastic lid would work. You can draw on that and hold it up to the window, or you can even use saran wrap and have that cling to the window itself. So there's a lot of different things you can use. I'm going to be using some transparency paper, but if you have a lid or saran wrap, that will work too. And we're going to be using markers. Washable will work, but they will smudge when you are working, so be careful if you're using washable markers because you'll get all over your hand. Or you can use Sharpies because that will stick, but that will be permanent. So go ahead and grab your markers, any kind you want, and your clear plastic of any kind. Go grab your supplies and let's get started. So here I have my transparency papers. I put white paper underneath just so you can see better, but you don't need to because it will not bleed through to your table, so you don't need to put anything below it. Now we can either do it with organic shapes, this was the start of a flower, or we can do it a little more simple with just some straight lines. So I'm going to show you both ways, both options, and you can pick which one you want to do. So I'm going to start with my geometric drawing, and I'm going to have black lines as my base, and then I'm going to be super colorful inside. So you could either have a pattern in mind when we're doing this, or you can just have lines going anywhere on the page that you want. I think I'm going to do a base of diagonal lines, and then I'm going to have some going horizontally. And this is with a washable marker, so you can see that my marker can smear because it's not permanent, but you can do either one. And you don't have to use a ruler, you could also freehand. And you can play with how you use your marker on the side or on the tip. We could have different line thicknesses. There we go. And now I'm going to start to add color to this one. So I'm going to do each section a different color. Remember, always be thoughtful with the colors you're choosing. I'm going to go for hot colors or my warm colors, so yellow, red, and orange. And you can see even the color, this is supposed to be an orange, it looks different on the transparency. You can also go ahead and you can mix your colors. You'll notice that the way you're applying your color will affect, and you'll see lines in it. So have fun with that element. Make that a part of your art. You don't have to do each section its own color. You could do multiple colors in each area. But I'm going to keep it similar to some stained glass, how it's one color in each section. And I don't know if you noticed, but it almost looks like my lines are disappearing this way. I kind of like that trick that it's playing. And you'll notice that even though these are all warm colors, the warmest color actually is this yellow. This yellow is so bright, it's popping off the page. And maybe I do want another color, so maybe I'll add one cooler color to kind of offset these warm colors. So now that this one's done, we can set it aside and we'll see how it looks on the window in a moment. But before we do that, we will go to our organic shapes. So you can go ahead and you can do wavy lines, curvy lines, or you could do like I did and go ahead and do like the petals of a leaf, of a flower. So I'm gonna put yellow on the inside of my stem area. And I could even do, like I said, you could do multiple colors inside one area. So I'm doing kind of some dots of orange. And then I'll do a purple leaf petal. So here's my finished flower. I could go ahead and add other like little details, like maybe there's a little bit of red in the middle, coming from the middle. Feel free to experiment, play. Just because this is the way I'm doing it doesn't mean this is the only way. Be your own artist. Come up with your own designs, your own ideas. And let's go ahead and see how these look in the window. So let's see how these turn out on the window. I know it would be a little hard to see with the camera, but they look awesome. I can't wait. I'm gonna hang them up. So here they are a little more close up. You can see when the sun actually will come through, they're gonna project light into the room as well. So I love how you can see through them. They're quite beautiful. I can't wait to see what you make. So I hope you had fun making your sun catchers or faux stained glass art. I think that they came out so wonderful. I love how they look. I could put one in each window. They're kind of endless opportunities with this. So let me know if you enjoyed it in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoy doing this craft, and comment below what you'd like to see for the future. Bye friends, see you next time.